Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download songs on the YouTube Music application. However, you need to be aware that this function is only available to premium users. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a song that you want to download, either by selecting from your home page or from the Explore section, where you can select from or select songs according to their genre or mood. So after selecting a song, tap on the three dots icon next to its title and tap on download. Here you should select the quality of your music video, such as high, medium or audio only. So click on the relevant one and then you should tap on this button down below, start trial, since I have not purchased the premium pack yet. So first you need to do that, and after that you will be able to download as many songs as you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.